In our example app that we've been looking at, we currently have 3 appointments, all displayed in white. If I wanted to display all 3 in a different color, let's say green, or using shading or whatever, I could set that up in the jcal_init method. In other words, as jcal initializes, I change one of the properties as per the documentation, and the default background color for all the appointments could be changed. But what if we wanted to do this conditionally? If you look in the database here, you'll see that there is a field called People ID. Let's say that the first appointment belongs to person 1, this one also belongs to person 1, and this one belongs to person 2. Now, we want to graphically differentiate between these 2 appointments, which belong to a certain person, let's say a member of staff, and this appointment, which belongs to, let's say, us. If we go and look in the jcal embeds, as shown before, there are a whole bunch of places you can add code. The one of interest to us right now is this DrawAppointmentOnCalendar. DrawAppointmentOnCalendar is called every time an appointment is about to be drawn onto the calendar. Notice that as each appointment is about to be drawn at that moment in time, the record from the database for that appointment is in scope. In other words, if we add some code before the parent call, it must be before the parent call because we're going to be overriding some stuff here. I could simply type in pfull equals color red. pfull is one of the parameters passed up here to that method. There are about 20 parameters in total, all documented, and you can override any of them over here yourself. Setting one like that would affect every single appointment that was drawn, which isn't quite what we're after. However, because the database record is in scope, we can do this. We can basically evaluate that people ID field, and depending on what its value is, we can override pfull using different colors. Similarly, you could override the font in each appointment. You could override the font size, the border type, border color, shading, anything you want. Alright, let's take a look at that code running. There we go. Person 1's appointments are now shown in green. Person 2's are shown in blue. If we changed one of the person 1's appointments to become a person 2's appointment, it would be redrawn in blue. This can be used for any kind of evaluative appointment type code, whether you're wanting to display appointments that belong to different people or different types of appointments, different priority appointments, appointments belonging to resources themselves, anything like that. Basically, we've given you the ability to adjust all of these settings at that level in that virtual embed, in that embed point, and what you do with it is completely up to you. Alright, thanks for watching.